on right now, the TopCon engage, so that really makes this job pretty effortless, to be honest. Slow when I'm backing up because I got some drainage boxes behind me and a sewer manhole, so they got kind of filled up, or the dirt's kind of filled up around them, so I can't really see the red paint on them as much anymore. Me personally, I like to put the corner of my blade on the left side track's imprint when I'm doing another pass. That's just me personally. I don't know how you guys that are run dozers for years do it, but that's just what I like to do when I'm penetrating. Rough ground right there, so we'll come back and hit that again in a second. This ground is really hard, so sometimes if the blade catches it and the GPS will just, you know, will just slam you into it, so that's when you gotta manually override it and pick the blade up and move it around. Stop right there. Gonna keep all those piles right in that one area, and then I know that that's kind of where it's a little high, and I'll push, once I'm done finishing out this area, I'll go over there and work on that. Backup camera, but I still like to look over my shoulder. don't be trusting that technology too much. As I use the GPS. Putting dirt right there. Why? What the hell are you doing, bro? Oh my god, what is that? Why would he do that? What the hell? Why is he doing that? I don't understand why. Oh, see, there's an island right there, so what? Let me see if it does if I put my blade down. It like kind of doesn't know what to do, so I don't want to. I guess I'm not too far into the island, but like if I'm too far into that island right there, the blade will start going all types of crazy. I don't know why he just dumped that pile of dirt right there. Freaking messed up my fucking grading. That's annoying. I'm gonna stop right in front of that island so I don't get all, the GPS doesn't get all wonky. He's gonna come pick it up, I don't know. Yeah. Other loader operators looking at me like, where did that dirt come from? Or do I need it? And I'm like, nope, I don't know where it came from or why that other operator thought that I needed it there, because I don't. Oh, and that's into an island. See, hold on, let me see if I show you. See, the blade doesn't kind of know what to do. It's like going down. It's like, that's an island right there. This area is. Oh. System initializing. Here we go. This shit again. So yeah, that right there right now, it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see outside, it's pretty cloudy, it's overcast. I think I've explained this before and maybe some other footage, but yeah, there's like a base station on the construction site where the GPS module is at, and you know, if it's cloudy or anything that interferes with the signal, buildings in the way, somebody hits that can kind of cause that system initialization to happen. Or if I'm like way off the map or whatever, you know, that'll do that too. So, but you just gotta stop and let it align itself, I guess you could say. All right, this is pretty good. This is gonna be the final pass on this area. And then, well, actually, I guess not the final pass. I gotta come back and clean up that mess over there. Hope you guys can hear me, because I know it's kind of loud in here. Alright, let me just do a push right here. Turn the leg. That loader operator did a decent job of getting it mostly up, so I'm not going to worry about it too much, honestly. Throw it to the left, all the dirt to the left. I'm trying to think if I want to put you guys yeah, I'm gonna try to put you guys somewhere you guys can get a good view, actually. Oops. Oopsies. pretty much finished up this whole area. That's where I was pushing the dirt into this big old pile over here. When I'm like going past the screen, y'all don't see me. That's where I'm disappearing off into, just making a little road over there. There's another entrance over there, so little access road for them, for the workers here. But yeah, this is how we're looking. Nice finish grade here for there's a few piles of dirt we gotta clean up in the skid steer, and maybe had the loaders come through. There's a few little sections I gotta maybe do some cleanup work on, but for the most part, God, I really wish I could have shown y'all before, because this site was, whew, like I said, there was just shit all over, excuse my language, but that's what it was. So yeah, that's pretty much some dozer work right there for y'all, and I'm just gonna keep on trucking. So stay tuned.